little flange series I've got going on here. In part 1, we machine them to this point. We hold onto it I'm holding the bottom there with the vise, this vise here. So we'll get a bit more hands on with this video, and I'll show you how to set up the mill to hold the part. Zero the machine so it knows where the part is. Tool changer. First thing we do, when we come in, we need to grab a set of parallels. They're precision ground hardened steel that I sit in my vise. I've got the spindle just warming up, in case you're wondering. So we chuck these in the vise. Grab a flange out. We fit the flange. Open up the vise a bit more. So the flange sits on the parallels and gives us a bit of clearance to come in and face the top off. Now to get a bit tricky about it, I've got a few to do. Rather than zeroing it every time, what I like to do is come in and grab another set of parallels, hold it against the side of the vise and one-handed. So I sit the part against the edge of the vise, and then I zero off of this face of the vise, and that becomes my X, and Y is center of the vise jaws. First thing I do, I come in, bring up my edge finder, which I have this tool 0. This one here. Tool change comes around, spins around, grabs this out. How this works, it's got a little probe on the bottom. When you move it, try to focus it this way. When you move it either way, so forwards, it moves the dial indicator, and back it moves, across, up and down as well. Very handy thing. So when these two lines on the indicator, the two dials are perfectly centered, you know that the spindle is vertical with the part what you're zeroing, if that makes any sense at all. Hopefully you'll pick it up when I do it. I'm not sure whether you can see, but we'll give it a shot anyway. So what I need to come and do is come up on this edge of the vise jaw, keep winding in until both of these lines are on 0 and 0. That means my spindle, my cutter, will be perfectly over this sort of plane on my vise jaw. So we're perfectly on that edge now. We'll come in on mark and hit Y, 0, enter. And that sets that home coordinate at 0. Next thing, we come to the other side of the vise jaw. Do the same thing. Sweet. And then on the Mac screen, we divide this DRO by 2. So divide by 2. That gives me -34. So that actually puts my reference in between these vise jaws right here. And for Z, I like to hang a parallel out just a little bit and touch on the end of that. Just like that. And because I've got the flange, the face of the flange aligned with this edge of the vise, I can set my X on the corner of this vise. Hopefully this is making some sense to someone. Just like that. So we're all set up, ready to roll. All you do is hit start. There we go. before we do the thread, I need to swap out this tap because it's the wrong size. I've got this tool holder. It extends and retracts, so as the machine is tapping a hole, if it's not quite, the RPMs aren't quite right, it'll stretch out or retract, gives you a bit of clearance. Alright, so as you do that, we undo it a bit, take the old tap out, get the new tap and collet here. If you haven't seen these taps, they're spiral flute taps, really good. So we undo this nut, take the collet out, put the new collet in, slide the tap in, and then put it all in the tool holder. Like that, do it up tight, and it's ready to go back in the machine. And we're ready to tap some holes. And there we go, one CNC machined turbo flange.